Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Tesla Model 3 Performance. First, ensure your car is in a safe, controlled environment like a closed track. You'll need to fully disable stability assistance and traction control. Then, activate track mode and adjust the power balance, sending more power to the rear wheels. This setup is crucial for initiating and maintaining a controlled slide. Remember, safety is paramount when attempting these maneuvers. To initiate the drift, approach a corner at a moderate speed, perhaps 25 to 35 miles per hour. As you enter the turn, give a quick, firm turn of the steering wheel while simultaneously applying a strong burst of throttle. This action will cause the rear wheels to lose traction. Be ready to counter-steer immediately, turning the wheel in the opposite direction of the slide to maintain control and keep the drift going smoothly. Maintaining a drift is all about delicate balance and precise inputs. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of your slide. More throttle increases the angle, less reduces it. Your steering wheel acts as your guide, making small, quick adjustments to keep the car pointed in the desired direction. Remember to look through the turn, focusing on your exit point rather than fixating on the car's immediate position. Practice makes perfect. To exit the drift, smoothly and gradually ease off the throttle while simultaneously unwinding the steering wheel. This allows the rear wheels to regain traction and the car to straighten out of the turn. Always ensure you have ample space and are aware of your surroundings. Drifting requires significant practice and skill, so start slow and prioritize safety. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.